Now available at your Cherokee Titan outlet store, a Kubota M108X tractor in excellent condition. This tractor features a front loader, 105 horsepower, a partial power shift transmission, and 1,109 hours. It has a 540 and 1,000 PTO. In the rear are 2 remotes and a 3-point hitch that can be controlled in the cab or above the left rear tire. The cab is also in excellent condition. If you have any questions or are interested in this tractor, please give us a call at 877-866-7010 or visit us online at www.titanoutletstore.com.